Oh my gosh, it's 109 degrees right now. Why is there a beach ball? Can I focus? There's just a random beach ball. It's 108 right now. I gotta put the AC on. It is 108 degrees right now and I am burning already. I gotta go buy an alternator for a Chrysler because what are we doing? What are we doing? After I buy this part, you know, we'll go to the shop. We'll go to the studio. That was just a cluster in of itself. As you can see, I got the alternator and it was 250 bucks. What in the world costs 250 bucks for a refurbished alternator? It's gotta be loose. Gotta be loose right now. Let's see if this big old land yacht can do a U-turn. Oh my gosh, come on, baby. Fits like a glove. I knew it all. I knew the whole time. Knew the whole time it was gonna fit. Now I actually am heading to the studio. Gonna start showing. We're gonna start stitching. Stereo radio. Turn off. Making a video every single day. It now has you structured where I do want to wake up at 4 every morning. I'll just start doing it probably on Monday. But say that I wake up at 4 every morning, right? I'll probably be going to bed at like 9, 10. I can go to bed at 10 and wake up at like 4:30 and that'll give me 6.5 hours of sleep. Say that I started going to bed at 9 o'clock. The only side effect, you know, of waking up at 4 in the morning and going to sleep early is you can't watch Star Wars or Marvel when it first comes out at 12 o'clock. But I mean, just watch it the next day. Just watch it the next day. We are now at the studio. We walk into the back area because lights are all off. Got to put down my backpack. It's always the same stuff, you know. Front light, back light. I'm in the office. Before you know it, we're gonna be sitting in the studio. Boom! Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay, so today we are now in the studio and I'm gonna be doing the upholstery for the upper part of the bench seat. Lil Brute's waiting on us right now. So we gotta stitch up the full-on upper. All the panels are pretty much ready to go. We just gotta stitch everything together, except for the very back part. We have to add a big old piece of vinyl and I think I gotta go to the store to get more of that. Top piece is what we're gonna stitch all day today for the rest of the day. Okay, don't judge me for my messy studio right now, but so this is the bottom and I love how it turned out, but we gotta do the top piece. But check that, woo, and then woo, and woo. But yeah, that looks really good. We gotta work on the top piece and I'll show you know what the panels look like on it. So these are all the pieces right here. I'm gonna lay down the foam so you can kind of see it. So we got the two main panels. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my goodness, they're already gonna fall down. So we got the side pieces, which are the side pieces. They never get no love. They're just always there on the side. We got these two side pieces, which are like the full-on side pieces. Those just hang off the edge, but I don't need to show that because it will fall off. The headrest section, and then I forgot what this piece was. Oh no, it's all falling apart. Then we got the middle section, which we got two square pieces, so I'm pretty sure these are. Oh, so these go up here, and those go up here. Cop the merch right there. Let's get to stitching, let's get this job done, huh? Oh my gosh. So things you gotta know about sewing machines like this is you gotta oil it 24/7. As you can see, there's already a dripple of oil coming off of it. So I pretty much gotta clean all this up because I do oil it every single day that I use it because the amount of using that I do use for using it. I said using a lot. Stitch one on one side, one on the other. How you doing? Keep it moving, baby. Let's go. Oh. So I got one side finished. This is a back piece and the headrest. The other one, the back piece and the headrest. These are the side pieces on each one. I'll throw that over there. But this is gonna be the middle section. Actually, gotta go back and get it. It should be going like this in the middle center, but I feel like I should probably do the outside first so I don't have to work with this big old panel and then doing the sides, if that makes sense. You feel me? Okay, this is gonna sound complicated, but I realized I didn't cut out this chunk of material, so this has to square off, so then this is a big old, like a big square, right? And then also the other piece that I cut that should be going right here for the upper piece that goes on the back piece of the chair, it's supposed to have curve like that, and I didn't do that. So we got to cut out more material, and I'm now like 8 yards into this, and I had no idea that a bench seat would take 8 yards up of material, but oh well. Oh well. We're learning though. We're learning. So the next thing I got to stitch on the back piece is this pipe welting. Some people call it piping, some people call it welting, but you pretty much have to make this hole on thing. What I got to do is cut pretty much 1 inch of it, throw this cord on the inside, I stitch it all the way on the inside, and I'm going to stitch it on the outer edge starting up here all the way across. It's going to give it a very nice look, but I gotta start it right now because this is gonna be the next step. And after that, we're adding that big old tan middle piece, and this piece is pretty much, actually it's not done. We still gotta cut a full-on back piece for it to cover the back. Like, there's stuff that shows on the back, but that's what we gotta cut after this. But the next step is cutting this inch of like chocolate mocha leather, chocolate mocha vinyl. This is vinyl, not leather, but let's go. I wonder if that caught that baby. Woo, that was ridiculous. Can I go all the way? Come on. Let's go. That kind of felt better than like everything else so far. That was very satisfying. That was oddly satisfying. This is 4 millimeters, so 5/32. So what would you call that? 5/30 seconds. Oh, it's a very annoying, stressful, strenuous part. We gotta fold this and then stitch this inside, but we're good to go. We're gonna start sewing. You know, these are like 3 lengths of 24. So 24 times 3 equals 6 and 12. Move it over, so 72 inches. I'm good. I really hope that's 72, and I'm not gonna think about it again because I hope I got it correct. So this should be about 72 inches right here. Call it a day. How you doing? Keep it moving, baby. Let's get it. This is really annoying. I wish there was, you know, something that it could tell you that you messed up, you know? I have no idea, but the backside literally just got shredded up into pieces. Look at this. And I can't use that. This is the stuff that you're gonna see in every single video, because normally a long video I wouldn't post that. You can't put that on a trophy like a show truck. Like, oh yeah, you see the outside and then you pull up and you look underneath it. It's like, ugh. What is that? You can't do that. Why wouldn't there be anything that was like, hey, yo, hey, the machine's kind of messing up. Okay, now, granted, I don't know if I have to lube it up again, but I literally oil it. I oil this thing up so much, it's ridiculous. You could jump rope with this. That's how long this is. That's how vinyl works. Good news is my salted sea spray is still going strong. Look at this. These are the best candles, Walmart candles. They're all $3 each. What? Come on now. It's 11 o'clock at night. We're wrapping this project up. Tune in tomorrow for the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Ah!